Searching for a 2011 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. A low odometer reading is a great benefit amongst many others with this vehicle. Get there fast, it's power-packed.
That responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Call today to schedule a test drive.